storage makes all the difference when creating a bathroom that ticks all the boxes. With the Posh Domaine vanity range, you can create and customise the perfect vanity to suit your needs. This is our Posh Domaine all-drawer twin model that comes with 2 spacious drawers for maximum storage. This is one of our Plus models with our premium graphite interior and premium soft close runners. It also comes in a standard option that features a fresh white interior and soft close drawers. This unit is a wall hung option, great for creating a sense of space in the bathroom. The Posh Domaine all-drawer twin comes in a wide range of sizes from a 600mm right up to an 1800mm, so you can find the right vanity to suit your needs and space requirements. This is our 1200 model paired with a single basin, but you can also upgrade to double basins on our 12, 15 and 1800 models, so you don't have to share. The Posh Domaine range can be customised to suit your personal style with a range of the most popular cabinet finishes and bench tops. Here is a textured woodgrain finish in classic oak with a Friday quartz bench top in boardwalk. You can also choose a cherry pie solid surface or bamboo top to pair with your choice of basin, or if you prefer an integrated basin, you can choose a ceramic or acrylic bench top. Get in contact with one of our experienced consultants at your local Reece showroom or explore the Reece website to see the full range of Posh Domaine vanities. Thanks for watching.